Hello everyone, today we will do frog position and how to stretch for a beautiful middle split. I will show you now, so stay with me and we will get started. So first what we will need, we will take our knees and take another leg on the pillow and start to slowly slide. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax and sit in this split. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to do that same on the other side. So stay with me if you want beautiful frog position and middle split. Okay, you slowly back. Take our knees on the pillow and take another leg on this and starting sliding. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax and sit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we will try to do with a strong leg. So I will take one leg and another, and we will starting slide and up. 2, up, 3, and sit and relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will hope that you like it, subscribe me and take me like. So bye bye.